Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to apply for jobs in Indeed. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type Indeed.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now let's focus on finding a job from right here. In this section with the search button, simply enter the job title, keywords or company that you want to focus on. And in this section right here, simply enter the city, state, zip code or remote. I'm gonna try something right now. I'm gonna select hiring immediately and it should be in New York. Let's simply click on search. And now these are the multiple jobs available. As you can see, let's simply apply on any one of them. Right here's the job. Let's simply click on apply now. And a new page is going to open up. And right here from this page, you can learn about the position summary, qualifications and everything. Let's simply click to apply for this job online. Click on this button right now. Now it's gonna ask for some few options like this. Simply follow the prompts. If it asks for your email, simply enter it. Or if it asks for your CV, enter that as well. And once everything's done, simply hit on continue. Then wait for the email from your contractor. Well guys, that's it. That's how you apply for a job in Indeed. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.